Alright, I'm out here at the mill to finish up the two-part project that I started with my very first YouTube edit. Right now I'm going to just show you some of the setup procedures, and then I'm going to run the simulator on the computer to actually show you the machining toolpaths. Trying to show you on the mill, just kind of all you're going to see is a bunch of water. So hopefully this kind of makes it a little more interesting and you can see what's going on.
And a big red balloon. His mouth is something through the front door soon. Shallow soul is all this afternoon. Shallow's mother doesn't care for God. One soulful brain struck by jets or sobs. Leap across the fish he kept from lawn. Shallow's mother doesn't care for God, 'cause they were blessed by trucking angels with no discretion. 2 a.m. on a Sunday morning. Honestly, she hardly notices now. Shallow's older brother's getting high, while their little sister tells a lie. So while the Rishi says they're getting by, Shallow's older brother's getting high. Shallow knows that his will be okay. He was promised some red back in the day, and all he has to do is smile and wait. Shallow knows that his will be okay, 'cause he's so sensitive. All in each time at the playground one afternoon under fleeting daylight. Honestly, he hardly notices now. Shallow's brother OD'd on the front porch, but that's alright, 'cause the cops came and they saw his father, eyes coiled in red circles, sends his mother hurtling down the staircase to the judgment of someone who is not sure he's entirely on the middle track.
Yeah, that happens. Drunken angels with no discretion at 2 a.m. on a Sunday morning. Alright, well that's the first of 2 parts to this project. If you got any questions, just kind of leave in the comments below. And if you like it, click the like. If I haven't personally called you to show you this, then please subscribe. I've got another part coming up to this project. It'll be out shortly. And again, big thanks to Shawn and Fashion Jackson for letting me use the music. If you haven't already, give them a follow.